Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to install the SIM card and memory card in the Hikvision DS-2DE2C400MWG-4G MPPT If you're looking to enhance your camera's functionality with reliable storage, you're definitely in the right place. The first step, powering off your camera. This is vital to prevent any potential damage to both the camera and your cards during the installation or removal process. It only takes a moment, but trust me, it can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Now, let's get started. The SIM and microSD card slots are conveniently located at the bottom of the rotating lens. Let's take a closer look at how to access them. First, gently lift the camera lens upward to reveal the inner components of your device. Next, you'll need a star screwdriver to remove the cap that protects the card slots. Take your time with this step, we want to keep everything safe and sound. Once you've successfully unscrewed it, carefully remove the cap. You'll now see two card slots. The top slot is designated for your memory card, while the bottom slot is for the SIM card. You'll notice icons next to each slot that clearly indicate their purpose and direction, making it easy to know where to insert each card. Now, let's focus on inserting the memory card. Ensure you're using a high-quality microSD card, as this camera supports cards up to 512 GB. This storage capacity offers ample space for extended recording durations, making it an excellent choice for all your surveillance needs, whether residential or commercial. As you insert the memory card, make sure it fits snugly into the slot. You'll want to press it in until you hear a pleasant click, indicating that it's securely in place. If you ever need to remove it, simply press gently again, and it should pop right out effortlessly. Next, let's talk about recording capacity. With a 512 GB memory card, you can potentially record up to 2 weeks of footage. Keep in mind that this will depend on several factors, like video quality settings, frame rate, and whether you're using continuous recording or motion-triggered recording modes. It's incredibly useful to know how these options can affect your storage needs. Now, let's move on to the SIM card. You'll find the SIM card slot conveniently located below the memory card slot. Again, be sure to insert it in the correct orientation, as indicated in the video, to ensure everything is lined up properly. Once both cards are securely in place, double-check that the memory card is seated correctly. This step is essential to prevent any data loss or recording errors down the line. Now, we're almost done. The next step is to connect the provided DC power adapter to your camera and turn it on. Just like that, you're ready to start using your camera for all your surveillance needs. In our next video, we'll guide you through the process of adding your new camera to the Hik-Connect app, making it easier than ever to view your recordings and manage settings right from your smartphone. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on more tips and tricks for your Hikvision cameras. We'll see you in the next video.